जो भी बंदा नया start करे, you should not trade options. Trade stocks, in my opinion.
Thank you so much
Options
for
शुरू ना
saying
करे.
this. Thank you so much for saying this. I'm having a lot of students and I'm a lot of subscribers. Everyone is asking on the first class. First class, they're asking about options. But tell me about
No.
option trading. I always tell them that you have to do 40 trades at least, only in equity or option selling. That is okay. But option buying, you should do after 6 months at least. Okay.
I
I'm sorry to
agree.
cut you
I
off.
agree.
Please
No,
continue.
you're right. No worries. जो भी बंदा start करे option selling or I mean option trading पहले से नहीं करनी चाहिए. Trade stocks, get familiar with the platform, get familiar with yourself, how you trade, how you react, what are your emotional barriers. फिर option में जाओ. Option में ये problem है कि if you do not have self-control and you hold an option, it will go to zero. With stocks, most of the time, if you're trading Tesla, Apple, big names, they're not going to go to zero.
Right.
You lose 10%, 5%, 20%.
Right.
Options may, you lose 100%.
100%.
So starting out, don't trade options.